Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Gina Louise. I like to do a lot of DIYs and furniture flips. Today's DIY is a challenge showing how to decorate your tier tray for the fall. Everything on this tier tray I made myself. So I will give you a little tour of my tier tray, and in the near future, there will be videos showing you how to make each of these items that I have on my tier tray. Today's challenge is hosted by Sonja from Domestic Diva DIY and co-hosted by Lisa from Lisa Birmingham. These lovely ladies have beautiful channels and they make amazing DIYs. You have to check them out. Their link is below, and so is the playlist. Enjoy the tour. I hope you enjoyed my fall tier tray. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.